Can we start affiliate marketing without investment? Is there any cost of starting an affiliate marketing? In this video, learn what is the cost of starting affiliate marketing. And if you're first time here guys, do subscribe my channel to learn affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home. And if you get the value from this video guys, give the thumbs up to this video guys, smash that like button, let me know in the comment your thoughts about this content. It has been 8 years guys, I am into online marketing. I am doing affiliate marketing. The first 5 years it was really hard for me. I was making only $50 or $100 like that. But from past 3 years guys, I'm doing very good in this business model called affiliate marketing, and I never made any mind to change in the future also. So before we analyze and calculate the cost of starting affiliate marketing, let's learn what is affiliate marketing is all about. When someone create a digital product, we call them the product owner, vendor or advertiser who want to sell their product online. They offer a small commission whoever sell that product. This commission start from 1% to 50% guys. And these vendors guys join this kinds of marketplace called ClickBank. There are different marketplace like this guys, and this is one of the larger and big marketplace, and they have different categories guys. Look at this. If the vendor have the product related to entertainment, they will join here. It's free to join to them guys, and they can join in any of these schemes like games, health and fitness, home garden, all these things, and they can place their product over there. And then guys, the second step here, you can see this, the affiliates like you and me, the marketer, the online marketers who want to sell it, they join these networks again guys. It's free to join. The sign up for this kinds of network is free for the vendor as well as the affiliate. Okay, it's 100% free from 200 plus countries guys. And then guys, once if you join here, you can see this guys, you have different category to sell the product. Okay, and the vendors are placing their products over here. Look at this. This is health and fitness niche. So if you have a knowledge about health and fitness, you can sell this product. Okay, so if you sell this product guys, you will make the average of $100. Here you can see this. How you gonna do this guys? This is just click here, promote. Okay, you will get an affiliate link, just a simple link, and once if you bring the traffic on that, and if the people buy, you'll make a commission. But wait a second guys, it's not about only bringing the traffic or throwing the links in the internet. Okay, that is not affiliate marketing. So guys, now affiliate like you and me, they're going to use a platform guys to sell these kinds of links. And here you can see this guys, there are two ways to promote this affiliate links or do the affiliate promotions. Okay, these are the two different platforms. One is called guys paid promotion, another is a free promotion. And in the paid promotion guys, that means it's all about Facebook ad, Google ad. That means you're gonna pay to promote that product which I showed you, and if the people buy, the targeted audience is going to buy, you'll make a commission from it. And the free promotion guides, it's all about creating a blog, YouTube channel. That means that is known as guys content marketing. That means you're going to create a content around that product and you're going to sell it. It's a completely free. You can create a website or you can create any social media platform guys, and you can create the content around that subject guys or the product, and you can make it. Both of this paid promotion as well as free promotion have some costs which you have to invest to start affiliate marketing. Once the visitor will come on this and they will click on your ad, that visitor will be redirected to the advertiser or the vendor product owner's sales page. Okay, and if they're gonna buy guys, all this will be recorded in this platform guys called ClickBank. Okay, this marketplace, okay, which is free to join to anybody. Okay, all the sales recording will be reported here in the reporting section. Okay, that I'm going to cover in some other video. Okay, and once if somebody is going to buy guys, you'll make a commission. The affiliate get paid commission from the advertiser. So now guys, what is the cost of starting affiliate marketing if we are going to use the paid promotion? As we know that guys, the moment we say the paid promotion, that means there will be some investment. Apart from paying to the advertisement, there are the software which you needed to run this paid promotion, running the Facebook ad. And for that guys, you have to understand how the paid promotions work. So in the paid promotions guys, the first thing is guys, you have to create a squeeze page or the landing page. Okay, it's a kind of a one page website kind of a thing guys that I'm going to show you in a second. And once guys, you're going to send the traffic, that means from the Facebook ad or the Google ad, native ad, whatever the ad platform is guys, you'll pay them the money. The traffic will come to this squeeze page. Okay, you will collect the email. Okay, and then this traffic will go to the sales page guys, the vendors page, and if they buy guys, they will get into the order page to buy, and if they buy, it will go to the thank you page. In this guys, your email will be collected over here. Okay, because if you don't make the sales on this process guys, you don't need to worry because you have their email. And then what you're going to do guys, you're going to send them a email sequence. To do this entire process guys, we need some email marketing tools as well as landing page builder. To create a landing page or to collect the email guys, I use GetResponse, and GetResponse is awesome to for any beginner guys. And here you can see, to collect the 1000 email guys, you have to pay only $15 per month. And before that guys, it is free for 30 days. That means you can do email marketing, create sales funnel, landing page, email automation, all these things guys, free for first 30 days, and you can try it out. And then later guys, it is just $15. And later you can, if you want to increase your email list, for 2,500, it is $25. And also guys, one of my favorite is, which I'm using, is Aweber. Aweber is amazing, and I will recommend you to go with $29 per month. When it's compared to Aweber and GetResponse guys, Aweber's landing page builder as well as email automation is all very powerful and very effective, as compared to GetResponse. So you can also try Aweber, and it is also free for 30 days, first 30 days. So assuming that guys, you're getting into this one software, email marketing software, GetResponse. Okay, this is $15, and the link of this software is given in the description. You can use it right away, right now. And your budget for per month will be $15 guys only. Okay, I will also recommend you to use Lead Pages to create your landing page. That means guys, you're not going to use any software, email marketing software to create your landing page. You can integrate this Lead Pages with your GetResponse. Lead Pages is amazing guys to create your landing page. Okay, this is, you can compare this thing as ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is $97 per month guys to begin with. Okay, and Lead Pages, here you can see it's only $37 per month, okay, to start with. And this is amazing landing page builder guys, and very soon I'm going to make a video on this. I'm using Lead Pages from a long time guys, and when it comes to responsive, fast, lead pages are amazing, okay, as compared to any other email marketing software. But here you can't collect the emails. You have to integrate this Lead Pages builder, okay, with your email marketing software GetResponse. So if you are using GetResponse as well as Lead Pages, and the Lead Pages is $37 per month, and your email marketing software is $15, so your total budget will be for the month is guys $52 per month. Okay, this investment is very, very important in the affiliate marketing business if you want to do for a long term. Okay, and if you have a good budget, you can get into ClickFunnels to create your sales funnel guys. This is amazing. Sooner or later you have to get into this ClickFunnels or a Lead Pages guys, because this will really going to make your business very easy. So this is also, you can try for 14 days, and later it is $97 per month. Okay, another software which is really important if you're doing online marketing, is especially with the paid traffic, is guys ClickMagick. It is not ClickBank guys, not ClickFunnels, it's a ClickMagick. It will track all the visitor in your landing page, okay, or the clicks happening in your links, okay, which you're promoting your landing page. And you can't do affiliate marketing without this, especially if you're into paid marketing and CPA marketing. And when it comes to price wise guys, it is $27, but I will highly recommend you to get into $67 guys, because it's very easy to get 10,000 click with a one paid campaign. Okay, so you need something like big one which can give you more clicks over here. So here you can see this guys, if you're using email marketing software GetResponse for $15 and the Lead Pages for $37 guys, as well as the ClickMagick for $27, your monthly cost of running affiliate marketing business is $79 or the $80 per month guys. You can't skip from this guys. You have to invest in your business, if you really want to do affiliate marketing on a right way, and if you want to do as a business guys. Even guys, to start with, if you're not doing CPA marketing and you don't want to track, because a lot of things have already a tracker, this one here, email marketing $15 and Lead Pager of $37 guys, $52 per month. This is a very good investment here in the paid traffic guys. I will never recommend you to rely only in email marketing software landing page builders, because when it's compared to email marketing landing page builder versus Lead Pages and ClickFunnels guys, this Lead Pages and ClickFunnels are far more better than this email marketing software like Aweber or GetResponse. Okay, so this is the right budget, $52 per month. So now guys, if you want to do the free promotion, and that is from website or YouTube channel guys, that means creating a content, okay, that the cost of affiliate marketing will be really different. To create affiliate website, guys, you can use WordPress, because WordPress is completely free, guys. Almost 35% of the web uses WordPress, and you can create amazing affiliate website over here. And guys, apart from the themes and plugin, because some of the themes and plugins which is really important in affiliate marketing, that you have to buy. But even though, guys, without buying those themes and plugins, guys, you can use WordPress and rank your website in the search engine result page of the Google. But you need a domain as well as hosting. For that, guys, you can use Bluehost, right? Bluehost is amazing, which will give you free domain here, guys, for the first year. And then later they are going to charge you $4 as a month. That means you have to buy annually. That is $48 over here, guys. And then, guys, once if you have a domain and hosting, you need a content ranking or SEO tools. Okay, for that I will highly recommend you, if you're planning to start your affiliate marketing website, guys, use this software called Ahrefs, which will help you in a so many various way, right? Site Explorer, Keyword Explorer, Site Audit, Rank Tracker, Content Explorer. You can do a lot of things with it. And when it comes to prices, guys, you can't manage it here, guys, because you have to buy this if you really want to rank website in the search engine result page. Okay, this is going to cost you $99 to start with, guys, and with a $7 of the trial. Okay, you also have another, right, Keyword Finder, which I use for me, because I don't run website. I have my YouTube channel. Okay, this is my 4th YouTube channel. I have 3 more YouTube channel. To find the keywords and all, guys, I use the keyword tools. Also, sometime I create a content. To find the content, guys, I use Ahrefs, which I showed you, as well as Keyword Finder. Okay, this is amazing, and it is here. You can see it's a $49. So you can start with this also in a monthly billing, and then later, guys, you can switch to Ahrefs, right? It's up to you. Okay, so what is the budget for starting an affiliate website? Here you can see, right, the WordPress is completely free. Bluehost is $4 per month. That is $48 right, per year. And Keyword Research Tool is $49 if you're using Keyword Finder. Okay, so it is close to $97, guys. As well as, guys, if you are running a affiliate website, you must need to collect the emails. For that, guys, you're gonna use, right, email marketing service like tools like GetResponse. Okay, and that is $15, as I showed you. For this, guys, you can see this is $112 you have to invest if you're starting a WordPress website, guys. You can't skip all of this thing, guys. Having your own website is, guys, creating your own asset as well as your email. So this is the best thing if you're creating the website. And if you're choosing YouTube to create the content, affiliate content, guys, the #1 tool which you need is, guys, TubeBuddy. And this is really important to rank your content, guys, so that you need this tool. And the price of this tool is, guys, $9. And if you have a 1000 subscriber or less, guys, you have to pay only, right, $4.50. Okay, so just consider as a $9 over here, guys. So TubeBuddy is very important. You can also use, right, vidIQ. It is also close to like that only, guys. You can use it. If you're doing screen recording, guys, you need a screen recording software, right, for which I use, guys, Screencast-O-Matic. And when it comes to price wise, it is just, right, $2, close to $1.65. And if you bill yearly, guys, it is going to be like $20, something like that. Okay, that depend upon the content you create, guys, right? Like if you're creating a content related to just tutorials like me, guys, you must need this. Okay, and if you're creating some other visual content, you have to use this software, guys, called Content Samurai. Okay, and this is amazing to create video. I already have a tutorial on this, guys, how to use this and how to create a affiliate content for this. I'm using from a long time. This will help you to create different contents where you don't need to show your face also. Okay, you just have a script, and that script will be converted into video automatically, right? You don't need to collect the videos, images, nothing. That depends upon the content. And for this, guys, you can see this is at $47 per month. And if you're looking for video editing tools, guys, which you need it maybe to, right, edit, if you're not using screen recorder, you need one good video editor, guys, for a long time. And here you can see I am using Adobe. This is Premiere Pro. This is amazing, guys, which is really cheap. This is just $30. for a monthly billing. Okay, and you can do you can create a professional looking video, and you can edit, you can do whatever you want with this, and this is almost $30 here. So now here you can see this, guys, with TubeBuddy, just $9, guys. Okay, TubeBuddy and the screen recorder, if you're creating tutorial videos, right, it is $20. So monthly it will come around $29 for you. Plus, guys, this is $15. I'm going to use GetResponse for it. That means I'm going to collect the emails. I'm still collecting the emails from all of my YouTube channels. Email collection is really important, guys, even if you have a website or a YouTube channel. Okay, so this is monthly. It is going to cost you $44, guys. And again, if you're using Content Samurai only to create the different kind of a content, here you can see this is like $56 plus email marketing software GetResponse. To start with, $71 you're gonna cost. If you want to use Premium Pro, it is $30, guys, and close to $39 plus the email marketing software, and it is going to cost you $54, guys. Apart from that, guys, if you are showing the face cam, you want to show yourself there in the video, you need a camera, webcam, and the mic, which is going to cost you from $500 to $1,000. Actually, the $1,000 is an average, guys. That is, you can buy whatever the budget you have. Okay, but even in the $500 to $1,000, guys, you can buy a nice camera, webcam, or mics to start your YouTube channel, okay, for your affiliate marketing. So hope this video has brought some value for you guys, how you can start your affiliate marketing, because I have showed you so many different options. Okay, whatever your way of starting, paid promotion or free promotion, you can get some idea. So do not forget to share this video with your loved one, guys, so that they can start their affiliate marketing business, saving the money. Hope you got the value. If you got the value, guys, do like this video, smash that like button, and do subscribe my channel. Thank you.